In today's fast-paced world, enhancing your production and manufacturing are crucial for success. Tackling supply chain insecurities, complicated fastener sourcing, unreliable customer service adding to lead times, and even meeting specific quality standards can be difficult for your company. Achieving success in the market is even more of a challenge on your own, and that is where Bossard comes in. Bossard is your strategic partner, serving the manufacturing industry for almost 200 years. We are a fastener distributor offering the highest quality fastening technology and providing proven expertise in numerous markets, including automotive, agriculture, rail, EV, robotics, and so much more. Our comprehensive strategy of proven productivity, the fusion of Industry 4.0, supply chain, and engineering expertise has been applied to companies of all sizes, from the largest agriculture and electric vehicle manufacturers in the country to startups looking to be the next big thing. With our strategic services, we offer a well-rounded approach to analyzing and improving your production, all while lowering costs and consolidating your bill of materials. Chat with one of our experts today to see how your company can achieve more with Bossard in your corner.